guys, how are you doing? So what is the right mindset? Everybody talks about mindset, and you have to have the right mindset, and entrepreneurship is mindset, and winning is mindset, and all that stuff. Well, I'll tell you flat out what mindset is. Mindset, the right mindset, means to step back from ego, to have some tolerance, and to open your mind. You got to open your mind to possibilities. You got to be looking around. You can't close down yourself, and you can't fill your life with ego, wearing a chip on your shoulder, watching other people, comparing yourself to other people. Mindset really means that you focus. The right mindset means that you focus on what is important, what is positive, and what are possibilities for you. So one guy say, well, I never made it as a singer. I was singing in high school. I was doing all this stuff. I really love singing. I can't find any other passion. I'm old now. I don't think I can get a break. Other guys say, I don't care. I'm making music. I just discovered a way where I can make music. I can sell it online on YouTube, and I can make some money. I might not make it to mainstream, but I'm doing what I love. I can scale that, and it can make me just as much money, and I can use that money and do something else. I can produce somebody else. I can make music another way. One other guy said, well, I used to love sports. I was playing well. I was doing well. I almost make it to the league, and I got injured. I can't do sports anymore. The other guy say, hey, I used to do it. I can't do it anymore, but I'm going to make a course. I'm going to put it on ClickBank, and I'm going to sell this course about how to kick a ball, how to throw a ball, how to jump higher, and all that stuff. People find different ways in the same channel so they can pursue their passion. One other guy said, well, I would go and cut the guy's lawn because I need some money, but I can't afford for my friends to see me. The other guy say, hey, I don't care who see me. I'm going to cut those lawn. I'm going to make some money. I'm going to put this thing out there. I'm going to start my business. I'm going to use the money from the lawn cutting business to buy my Facebook ad, to buy my courses, to learn something different. So it's all about how well you are willing to put your ego aside, how well you're willing to open up your mind, how well you're willing to be a student, and how well you're willing to tough it out. That's what an entrepreneurship, a winner's, a champion, a great person mindset is all about. So when they're talking about mindset, when they're talking about it's a mental game, when they're talking about it's 80% psychology, that's what they mean. To open your mind, 1, to shelf your ego, 2, and 3, to be patient and tolerant, and to ignore what other people say, and to be willing to keep the main thing, and go for what you want. That's what the right mindset is. The right mindset means if it doesn't work that way, you find another way. You change the direction, but you never change the goal. You change the means and the method, but your dreams stay intact. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm going all out, flat out hustle to get this YouTube channel 90 days, hitting it every day to get this YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. We've done it on Facebook. We do it on our email list. We do it on our blog. Now it's time for YouTube. We're doing it all the way. So come on, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'm going to shamelessly, flat out email you, message you something for you to subscribe to the channel. So thanks for listening. It's always a pleasure. Have a good day.